This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Thank you for watching my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I worked there for 10 years. I've been in private practice. We just got finished writing a book. Not that makes us any different, but I've been on the national news many times. Go to my website at 777irs.com. You'll learn some of the stations. I've been on all my videos. I got to think about 6 or 7 of them on there. Anyway, I want to talk to you about those looking for tax relief services online and the mistakes that people make. You need to know this because I've been doing this for 52 years. I am a national expert. I get so many calls from people shopping for tax relief services, and it's amazing the questions I get because I am one of the nation's expert. I'm not like some guy in a closet that just decided to hang up a shingle. I've been doing this for 52 years. I was the IRS for 10 years. I was a teaching instructor. When you're looking for tax relief services, stop speaking to salespeople. 95% of all the people you speak to when you call for tax relief services, you're either speaking to a clerk who's taking down basic information to pass on, or a salesperson. That's your very, very first mistake because you're not going to get any truth. You're only going to get a person that does the intake. That is the biggest mistake people make. People shop, they want the cheapest price, they believe what the person says. You better stop all this because right now you have your first flag that's a ripoff alert, and a big one. If you are looking for tax relief services, you must speak to the person who's going to work your case, because that's the only person that can make a determination on who should be giving you advice on what's going on. When someone tells me about how many returns they've got to file, what their financial statement looks like, are they current on estimate payments or business taxes, when I get all this information, I come up with my answer because I've worked thousands of cases. A salesperson, on the other hand, just wants to bill you. The person on the back end has no idea what the salesperson's talking about. None. Zero, zero. All they do is work the case. That person in the front who took your case and took a lot of money, that's all their job is to collect money from you and then pass the case on. So if you're shopping, the biggest mistake you make is speaking to the wrong person on your intake. You only speak to the person who you're going to get to work your case. When you call me, you speak to me. So if you get ripped off, you only have yourself to blame. But this is the biggest tip that I can give you. Talk to the person who, after they heard your facts, can give you a decision. That is the truth. Go ahead and give me a subscription if you would. And by the way, see if those people also wrote books about IRS settlements. Anyway, have a good one. I wish you the best. Give me a subscription. Thank you.